Along China's mighty Yangtze River stands one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements, built to overcome an enormous barrier without stopping the flow of global trade. The massive dam transformed navigation forever, creating a dramatic height difference that conventional ships could no longer cross on their own. Every vessel carries thousands of tons of cargo, making uninterrupted transportation essential for industries connected by the Yangtze River. Instead of unloading their cargo, these enormous vessels continue their journey using an elevator unlike anything else ever constructed. The lift bridges a vertical gap of more than 100 meters, replacing a journey through multiple navigation locks. Powerful tugboats guide each vessel with remarkable precision, ensuring a perfectly controlled approach before the lifting process begins. Every movement is carefully calculated, as the vessel enters a chamber designed to lift thousands of tons in complete stability. Engineers continuously monitor hundreds of sensors, verifying alignment, weight distribution, and structural safety before every lift begins. Laser guidance systems confirm the vessel has reached perfect alignment, allowing the giant lifting mechanism to operate with millimeter accuracy. With the vessel securely positioned, colossal watertight gates close behind it, marking the start of one of the world's most extraordinary engineering operations. The chamber is now completely sealed, creating a controlled environment capable of lifting both the ship and millions of liters of surrounding water. Instead of lifting the vessel directly, the system raises an entire water-filled chamber, allowing the ship to remain naturally buoyant throughout the journey. Before the ascent begins, sophisticated hydraulic systems stabilize water pressure to ensure perfectly balanced lifting conditions. Deep within the structure, synchronized electric motors generate the controlled power required to move one of the heaviest elevators ever constructed. The lift begins climbing with remarkable smoothness, carrying thousands of tons upward while maintaining complete stability inside the chamber. Despite its enormous weight, the elevator maintains an even speed through a carefully balanced system of motors, cables, and counterweights. Hidden inside the tower, giant counterweights move in the opposite direction, balancing the system and dramatically reducing the energy needed for every lift. Each massive cable is engineered to withstand extraordinary forces, providing the strength and reliability required for continuous operation. As the chamber rises higher, the immense scale of the engineering becomes unmistakable, connecting two vastly different water levels with precision. Throughout the ascent, advanced monitoring systems verify every critical measurement, ensuring the lift operates safely with exceptional precision. As the chamber nears the top, its movement becomes even more precise, preparing for a perfectly level connection with the upper navigation channel. Powerful hydraulic locks secure the chamber firmly in place, creating a seamless transition between the elevator and the upper waterway. Advanced positioning systems verify that every surface is aligned within extremely small tolerances before the exit sequence can begin. Water levels are carefully balanced, removing pressure between the chamber and the reservoir before the gates can safely open. The final barrier slowly retracts, revealing the upper river and completing the elevator's extraordinary lifting cycle. Without unloading a single container, the cargo ship resumes its journey, now continuing from a completely different elevation. Within minutes, the ship has crossed an obstacle that once required a much longer and more complex passage through multiple locked chambers. The chamber immediately begins its return trip, preparing to lift another vessel and maintain the continuous rhythm of river transportation. Every moving component works in harmony, allowing the entire system to reset efficiently for the next cargo vessel waiting below. This remarkable engineering system keeps global commerce moving by lifting entire ships safely, efficiently, and continuously between two dramatically different water levels. Behind every successful lift is an extensive maintenance program designed to keep every mechanical component operating with exceptional reliability. Precision lubrication reduces friction and wear, allowing the giant drive system to perform smoothly through countless lifting cycles. Engineers regularly verify structural alignment, ensuring every guide rail remains perfectly positioned for accurate vertical movement. Automated inspection robots examine every section of the lifting cables, detecting microscopic defects long before they can affect performance. Thermal monitoring identifies abnormal heat patterns, allowing maintenance teams to prevent potential issues before they develop. Hydraulic systems receive routine servicing to maintain the immense force required for precise locking and lifting operations. Critical safety systems are tested regularly, ensuring every backup mechanism responds instantly whenever it is needed. Multiple independent braking systems provide additional protection, capable of securing the chamber safely under even the most demanding conditions. Thousands of monitoring points work together to provide continuous real-time information about the condition of the entire lifting system. After comprehensive inspection and testing, every component is confirmed ready to support another safe and efficient journey for the next cargo ship. With the lift complete, the cargo vessel continues upstream, carrying thousands of tons of goods toward inland manufacturing centers. The Yangtze serves as one of the world's busiest inland shipping routes, connecting major industrial regions across central China. At modern river ports, advanced cranes rapidly transfer cargo between ships, trucks, and rail networks without interrupting the logistics chain. Every container is positioned with centimeter-level accuracy, allowing thousands of shipments to move efficiently through the terminal each day. Automation continues beyond the port, where intelligent transport vehicles deliver cargo between storage zones with remarkable efficiency. Large logistics centers organize incoming cargo before it continues by rail, highway, or regional waterways to destinations across the country. Intermodal transportation allows cargo lifted by the ship elevator to continue seamlessly across China's extensive rail network. From river ports, freight moves rapidly across highways, supplying factories, businesses, and consumers throughout the nation's growing economy. The ship lift forms a critical link within an enormous transportation network that supports manufacturing, commerce, and international trade. Far beyond its impressive engineering, the world's largest ship lift quietly keeps commerce flowing, connecting distant regions through one extraordinary piece of infrastructure. Even before dawn, the ship lift prepares for another day of continuous operation, ready to move vessels between two very different water levels. Operations begin early, with vessels arriving from both directions according to carefully coordinated navigation schedules. Every movement is coordinated from a central control room where navigation, engineering, and environmental conditions are monitored simultaneously. Advanced guidance technology assists every approach, ensuring each vessel enters the chamber with remarkable precision. The ship lift operates as a continuous transportation system, minimizing delays while supporting the steady flow of commercial traffic. At any moment, one vessel completes its journey while another begins, demonstrating the remarkable efficiency of this engineering masterpiece. Once lifted, cargo vessels continue deep into inland China, extending global trade far beyond the nation's coastal ports. The ship lift forms only one part of a much larger engineering complex that combines transportation, flood control, and renewable energy. As another day comes to an end, the ship lift continues serving as a silent gateway between two worlds connected by engineering. The world's largest ship lift stands as a powerful reminder that visionary engineering can reshape landscapes, connect economies, and move entire ships with extraordinary precision. Every successful lift begins long before a vessel reaches the chamber, with careful coordination across one of the world's busiest inland waterways. Traffic management systems coordinate vessel movements with remarkable accuracy, minimizing delays while maintaining safe distances between ships. Specialized tugboats provide precise maneuvering assistance, especially when guiding large vessels into the confined entrance channel. Every section of the approach channel is engineered to control vessel speed, direction, and alignment before the lifting process begins. Navigation aids continuously guide commercial traffic, helping captains maintain the safest route under changing river conditions. Below the surface, hidden guide structures help maintain the chamber's precise geometry during every stage of operation. Specialized protective systems absorb minor movements, preventing damage while maintaining perfect alignment inside the chamber. Advanced cooling systems regulate equipment temperatures, ensuring reliable operation during continuous heavy-duty service. Routine structural surveys confirm the integrity of the massive concrete framework, supporting one of the largest lifting systems ever built. As one vessel departs and another arrives, the ship lift continues its endless cycle, keeping one of the world's greatest trade routes moving without interruption. Each vessel entering the lift carries a unique cargo, yet every journey follows the same carefully engineered sequence. Every connection is monitored carefully, ensuring complete control as thousands of tons of steel move through the entrance channel. Hydraulic positioning equipment keeps the vessel centered, preventing unwanted movement before the lifting process begins. Every rotating component transfers power with extraordinary precision, allowing the immense lifting system to operate smoothly under constant load. Precision guide systems keep the chamber perfectly aligned throughout its vertical journey, ensuring smooth and stable operation. Real-time digital models allow engineers to visualize every mechanical system as it operates, improving efficiency and long-term reliability. Regular exterior inspections protect the structure from weather, ensuring decades of dependable service in a demanding river environment. Designed for year-round operation, the lift continues functioning safely through changing weather conditions with carefully engineered drainage and protection systems. Nature and engineering exist side by side here, where one of the world's most advanced lifting systems operates within a breathtaking river valley. Long after sunset, the world's largest ship lift continues its silent mission, connecting waterways and supporting commerce around the clock. Another day begins as commercial traffic returns, demonstrating the uninterrupted rhythm of one of the world's most advanced river transport systems. Environmental conditions are constantly monitored, allowing operators to adapt ship lift operations safely under changing weather patterns. The enormous lift tower provides the strength and stability needed to guide the water-filled chamber safely through every vertical movement. Highly sensitive vibration sensors detect even the smallest structural changes, providing valuable information during every lifting cycle. The lifting forces are transferred through enormous anchor systems, designed to withstand extraordinary loads over decades of continuous service. Because the ship floats naturally inside the chamber, the lifting process remains remarkably stable despite the tremendous weight involved. Redundant electrical systems provide dependable power, ensuring safe operation even under unexpected conditions. Routine underwater inspections help protect the foundation, supporting one of the largest vertical lifting structures ever constructed. Every successful lift strengthens an extensive transportation network that supports industries, communities, and international trade across the region. Few engineering projects combine such monumental scale with such practical purpose, quietly moving entire cargo ships as part of everyday global commerce. Every successful operation reflects decades of engineering research dedicated to moving ever larger vessels safely through one of the world's busiest waterways. Precision hydraulic equipment provides the controlled force required for secure locking, alignment, and reliable operation throughout every lifting cycle. Behind the visible structure lies an intricate network of engineering systems working together with remarkable precision every single day. Continuous modernization ensures the ship lift benefits from the latest advances in monitoring technology and predictive maintenance. Autonomous inspection systems reduce maintenance time while capturing detailed structural information from areas difficult for technicians to access. Redundant power infrastructure keeps essential equipment operating continuously, protecting every stage of the lifting process from interruption. Beneath the surface, enormous foundations distribute immense structural loads safely into the surrounding bedrock. Together, countless vessels rely on this engineering achievement to maintain the uninterrupted movement of raw materials and finished goods. The journey does not end at the river, as modern logistics networks distribute cargo efficiently across the nation. As daylight fades, the world's largest ship lift continues its quiet mission, connecting waterways, industries, and economies through extraordinary engineering. Before sunrise, this remarkable engineering system is already preparing to guide another day of uninterrupted river transportation. The lifting process begins deep inside the machinery hall, where synchronized drive systems convert electrical power into controlled mechanical motion. High-performance bearings reduce friction while supporting extraordinary loads through thousands of continuous operating cycles. The immense vertical structure provides a stable pathway that keeps the lifting chamber perfectly aligned from bottom to top. Advanced non-destructive testing confirms the integrity of critical structural connections without interrupting normal operation. From above, the precision of the chamber becomes unmistakable, keeping every vessel balanced throughout the entire lifting process. Thousands of real-time measurements allow engineers to monitor every stage of operation with exceptional accuracy. The lift serves as a vital link connecting industrial centers throughout the Yangtze River, supporting millions of tons of cargo every year. Its remarkable scale is matched only by its precision, transforming a challenging landscape into an efficient transportation corridor. Day after day, this extraordinary engineering achievement quietly keeps global commerce flowing across one of the world's greatest rivers. From above, the full scale of this engineering achievement becomes clear, connecting landscapes that once stood divided by nature. Each successful lift allows vessels to continue their journey without interruption, saving valuable time while supporting efficient inland transportation. Together, these vessels represent an uninterrupted flow of raw materials, manufactured products, and essential goods moving across China's industrial heartland. Beyond the river, an enormous logistics network continues the journey, linking water transportation with railways, highways, and global trade routes. The simplicity of a ship floating on water hides an extraordinary engineering system working silently beneath every successful crossing. The ship lift forms one essential element within a larger engineering masterpiece designed to serve transportation, energy production, and flood management. Around the clock, the system operates with remarkable consistency, supporting continuous navigation regardless of the time of day. As darkness falls, the world's largest ship lift continues operating with the same precision that defines every stage of its remarkable journey. Viewed from above, this extraordinary structure stands as a symbol of how engineering can reshape geography while preserving the continuous movement of commerce.